Although there are still a few months left until the official presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, some leaks about the device have already surfaced. In this presentation, we will provide detailed information about the design, camera, processor, and other features of the S26 Ultra. Samsung is taking a serious step in design this time. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may be the thinnest Ultra model Samsung has ever produced. The thickness will drop to about 7.8 millimeters, while the S25 Ultra was 8.22 millimeters. This is not just a numerical difference. The phone will be noticeably lighter and will gain a special position in the market as one of the slimmest flagships. Both the thinness and the new rounded edges raise the ergonomics of the phone to a higher level. The most interesting changes are expected on the back. The innovations in camera design will immediately distinguish the S26 Ultra from its predecessors. The screen is a wonder on its own. A 6.9-inch AMOLED panel comes with new anti-reflective glass that reduces glare and COE technology. Samsung already produces the best mobile displays in the world, but this time it may completely raise the standard. The device will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy processor. This special version is more powerful than the regular models and runs at a frequency of 4.74 GHz. Initial tests show about 20 to 30% performance increase. It is reported that an Exynos version is not expected for this model. According to expectations, all models will come with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Thanks to this powerful memory, the device will work faster and more efficiently. Storage options will range from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. Samsung will not increase the battery capacity and will keep the 5,000 mAh battery. The main innovation is in charging speed. The S26 Ultra will now support 60-watt fast charging. This is a noticeable improvement compared to the previous 45-watt charging. The biggest surprise is the camera. This time, Samsung may put aside its ISOCELL sensor and use a 200-megapixel Sony sensor instead. With a huge 1.1-inch sensor and f1.4 aperture, most of the attention has been directed toward camera improvements. The 3x telephoto camera will be upgraded from 10 megapixels to 12 megapixels. The main sensor will still be 200 megapixels, but this time it will come with a wider aperture. This will ensure more light intake, improved low-light shooting capabilities, faster shooting, and clearer photos. The 5x periscope camera will also come with a wider aperture. As a result, even though the megapixel numbers don't change much, the camera performance of the S26 Ultra will be far stronger than before. All this will be supported by artificial intelligence called ProVisual Engine. Photos will be brighter, HDR will be cleaner, and zoom will not lose quality. Due to the thin body and wider aperture lenses, the camera module will be slightly more protruding, but it is expected that Samsung will not make its flagship resemble mass-market models and will not use a rectangular module housing the entire system in one block. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be introduced in early 2026, and its sales price will start from $1,299. If you also love to follow the latest innovations in technology, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to stay updated with such content. See you in the next video.